If your washer won't agitate or agitates but it moves too slow, check the following parts: the agitator, the agitator dogs, the clothes pusher, the water level switch, the door switch, the transmission, or the timer. For more information, go to the subscribe box on the right. Place your mouse pointer on the More Info link and click on it. When the page opens, scroll down to the next link and click on it. You will be taken to the page with more information on the subject. Or you could check our website at the following address: